I was blown away by the way the script captures all that stuff that you don't really think about happening in home health care.
Hey, Zoe, it's me.
I thought it was a very eye-opening story.
All right, Pop, see you later.
Production crew here at Axxess is just terrific. They were very, very good, very professional, communicated well. We had a lot of fun, but we did a serious job also.
And action.
Honestly, everybody on set was super helpful, super quick. And it was really fun to work with everybody. We kind of kept the giggles going, so.
Hey, Zoe.
Good morning.
Have a good one.
Wait a second, because I can't, it's hard to hear you say action out here.
Oh, okay.
And I'm Tony Martin, and we have fellow actress Steve.
And don't
Decker.
try this at home.
I have pajamas on and a 51-year-old motorcycle.
Coming from the man in a bathroom about to step onto a 65 Dodge, we're cool. So we were rebels on a mission to complete the scene.
And then riding the bike, you know, with her on the back up in the country was quite an experience. I enjoyed that a lot.
It was amazing, I have to say. It was way beyond what I ever expected, and I couldn't believe I was tearing up. He did a great job. Good job.
I've been blessed with good health and try to take care of myself, but no one escapes this. You know, we all grow older.
I think Fresh Air really exemplifies how people touch other people, how they can influence other people emotionally and take care of them to a point where, you know, maybe they wouldn't have lasted that long.
Drop.